Meaning of day student.
Day student.
Day student.
Day student.
Day student. A day student is a student who attends school during the day and returns home at night, as opposed to a boarding student who lives at the school. Day students generally do not have the same level of access to on-campus resources and facilities as boarding students do, but they often benefit from the opportunity to maintain close ties to their family and community. Additionally, day students can avoid the costs associated with boarding, such as room and board fees. Overall, being a day student offers a different experience than being a boarding student, but both options have their advantages and disadvantages.